What happened to your phone? You said,
Man, I don't know. It just started to, act up. I see a light. The screen started to just jump up and down and stuff like that. So I just put it in some rice because a couple of months ago it dropped in water and it was working fine, and then it just started to act up. So I don't know if the issue come back. So I just put it in some rice to see if it will come back on. So wow. I don't even know. So can you fix it for me?
Don't worry, I got you.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go. Did you pick it?
Surgery time. So.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It didn't work?
It not work?
No. It says too much water in there.
It's too much water?
Mm-hmm. Didn't work.
But how so much water get in there?
I don't know. You fry the main board. That's why it doesn't work. So you're gonna lose all the information, pictures. Because everything stays on the main board.
Yeah.
Your TikTok is gone.
Chuchu?
TikTok.
Wait, my TikTok is gone?
Because everything's on the main board. All apps, pictures, contacts.
All my apps, my bank, from
banking,
everything?
Yes. Everything stays on the main board. I'm sorry. I try everything.
Well, maybe I should put it back in rice.
Rice didn't work. That's why.
Well, it wasn't long enough because it's just yesterday. It started giving me problem last night.
Oh yeah, it was still showing on there when you had the rice?
Yeah, but it was just the light came on and it was just like dancing, running up.
Yeah.
So I left it on because I couldn't turn it off.
No, it's not the rice. Rice didn't have.
Yeah, well, rice was could help with. I gotta lose my TikTok.
Yeah.
My app that I use to pay my bill.
That's the bad thing about
everything.
Your phone is ready.
Oh, you're messing with me. Did you get that?
I was messing with you.
Oh.
It's disabled, but it's gonna be open about 8 hours. So your baby's pictures is there. So you're gonna have everything back.
Oh my goodness. You got me there, I swear. Jesus. Man, I didn't ready for that. I was like, oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. I need to breathe for that life. Oh God, thank you, God. No, go so. Okay, so what are we looking at here?
Car in a house.
Car and a house?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know. These, and all because I don't want to lose my TikTok. Because sometimes I feel like I'm tired. I need an Android.
Yes.
Trust me.
I believe you.
Because of my TikTok, and I wanted to, make some bread.
Of course.
I don't want to lose it because I don't know. Well, if it gone, then